things didn't change much for a long time. A tile guy say he's been doing it for 30 years. So have there been a lot of changes in the tile industry? Well, if you go according to the TCNA handbook, which was first years ago known as the TCA, Tile Council of North America, now it's known as the TCNA, Tile Council of North America. So in 1992, this is the oldest book I have, it was really just a pamphlet. And things didn't change much for a long time. Stayed pretty much the same. There might have been a few changes here and there. 99 up till 99, it's got a little few extra pages. But then in 2007, things began to change. Started to get more methods, better understanding of how to install tile. And then 2012, things really changed. They just progressively got bigger and bigger and bigger. Now you might say, why would you need one of these? Well, this, if you're a tile professional, this is your go-to literature on how to do things. And then 2000, oops, I got this in the wrong order, 2018, 2019, I think I gave away my 2020 and 2021. Still waiting for the 2022. But if you look, this is what it used to be, and this is what it is today. There's a huge difference. So if you hear a tile guy say he's been doing it for 30 years and he knows what he's doing, if he hasn't kept up with these methods and standards, then maybe, I don't know, you figure it out.